Utah is filled with glorious nature, whether it's mountains, trees, or deserts. One local place to view such sights is the Ogden Nature Center, located on 12th Street. Here you'll see trees, meadows, and most of all, birds. The place is filled with them. On the way to the Visitor Center to pay the $4 entrance fee, visitors will be delighted to see all the different homemade birdhouse designs along the way. These houses are all custom made and are very creative in the way that they look. As said before, this place is a great sightseeing place for all kinds of avian wildlife. Most birds now have left because of the cold weather, but the center has some in cages including bald eagles, hawks, pelican, and even a turkey who actually jump out of the bushes and wander around. This is exactly how big a bald eagle's nest can get. Bald eagles spend years building these nests and they are very intricate. Trails make up for a lot of the nature center. Moving along these trails will give a lot of exercise and provides a great nature walk. These trails include the Arrowhead Trail and the Habitat Trail, among others. An open area of the reserve is the Eccles Observation Tower, which allows visitors to look out along the landscape using built-in telescopes mounted on top of the tower. The Picnic Grove is a bit of a walk from the Visitor Center, but once you arrive, there's a fantastic spot to have a great barbecue, picnic, or even a bonfire after it gets dark. There are also observation areas built into the trees here, as in the observation towers discussed earlier. During the right time of year, ducks, geese, and all sorts of other aquatic creatures and insects call the ponds of the Ogden Nature Center their home. In the meadow, perhaps the biggest notable object is the Indian teepee. This is built to scale of the actual size of how Native Americans may have lived in those days. Going inside this teepee is also possible, with visitors being able to see just how spacious these enormous tents actually are. During certain parts of the year, the meadow also hosts deer and other types of creatures. There's even an oversized mouse hole, so you can see what life is like for underground animals, which include mice, groundhogs, and moles. The bear den in another area of the center is also nice to look at if that's your thing. There's a certain sense of wonder with this sanctuary being so close to home. You never know what you're going to find or what will pop out behind you at the Ogden Nature Center.